Ooh, moonstones, thank you. Yeah, I need all the moonstones I can get. Alright. It's literally 5 a.m. when recording this, so the shop updated. Let's go see. Alright, let me see if there's anything Alice related or just anything new. Oh, I have enough. I need this shelf. The pumpkin vine shelf, yes.
A minute of your time?
Ooh, this window. Okay. I need windows, thank you. Get this, yeah. Scrooge, I will be with you. I don't want a white counter. I want this bed. It's a Beauty and the Beast bed. That's really pretty. Alright, what is... No, I'd rather get the bed. 9. Oops. I'm gonna have to come back. I'll get that later. Oh my gosh, they have it. Oh my gosh. And it's only 800. Gimme, 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 gimme.
How about a wee bit of conversation?
Immediately. If not sooner. Alright, wardrobe, let's do the hair. Absolutely. Please and thank you. Okay, cute. Very cute. Love that. I feel we need a new fit. Yeah, let's go with cutesy. I might want to go with shorts with this. Do I? No, I'll go with the skirt. Let's go with the skirt. Alright, and the shoes. I love this outfit, I really do. Alright, let's... I know I'm doing all this stuff and like, I got stuff to do. Look. I'll leave the choker on, it matches Figaro. The only thing I did new is like this. I'm trying to do like a, excuse me, Nightthorn. Like a walkway and then like have a sidewalk and have like the main path, but alright, let's... Alright. I don't think I have the stuff for this yet. You found something strange. Let's do this one. Alright. Bring Merlin's notes to him. Let's go. It's nice and foggy. The morning dew. Aha, I just thought about that. Oh, yes. I think that was wrong. The morning dew. Why would you think, you know, why would you think they'd be in their house? I hear something outside. Oh, hi, Merlin. I was going to look on the map for you.
Oh, hello.
Ah, my friend. Secrets and schemes. Here you go. What have you got there?
Oh,
Aha, my notes. Why, I've been looking everywhere for those. And it's a good thing you found them, too. I wouldn't have wanted them to fall into the wrong hands. I couldn't understand what they said. Must be important wizard
Superb!
business. I suppose that's true in a sense. You see, I fear there is nefarious business afoot. So I began noting down my observations.
But I...
Mother Gothel and Ursula, oh jeez, sorry about that. Mother Gothel and Ursula have been meeting all around the village. Those two are up to no good. I just know it. You can't trust either of them. That's why I've been keeping track of their little meetings. 4 times now, I've caught them scheming together.
Oh, the dash!
They've been exchanging all manner of, pardon me. They've been exchanging all manner of mysterious ingredients and vials. And the moment I draw near, they clam up and run off. Guilty! Though I suppose in Ursula's case, I mean to say, swim off. Sounds suspicious, but we need proof. Well, yes. You're quite right. And my soothsaying abilities can only tell us so much.
Ah, yes.
Ursula and Mama G both trust you far more than they do me. Perhaps we can use that to our advantage.
Extraordinary!
I suspect that you can get close enough to hear what they're scheming about. The fate of DREAMLIGHT.
Oh.
Oh dear, well, I certainly hope that's not the case. More likely, it's just some petty scheme they've concocted. But we can't be too careful with those two. Now, I may not be able to prognosticate, oh, there we go, what Mother Gothel and Ursula are scheming about. But I do know precisely where they'll be meeting next.
Listen closely.
They gather each day in the Glade of Trust. They already met there earlier today, so you'll have to wait until tomorrow to catch them. Remember, the Glade of Trust.
Thank
okay,
you.
So I gotta wait till
Very
tomorrow.
kind.
I gotta wait for tomorrow. Why I gotta wait for tomorrow, man? Alright, Merlin. Alright.
Oh,
Let me talk
hello.
to you about the Great Blizzard. Precisely who I was hoping to see. I'm certain you've noticed the rather snowy problem we have on our hands. There's a blizzard in the Frosted Heights, but it isn't a meteorological happenstance. There's dark magic afoot. What a magical mess. To set this right, we'll need to restore the pillar in the Frosted Heights. That should keep all the vexing dark magic at bay. How do I restore the pillar? I suppose I need to find the orb like with the others? Precisely. But I'm afraid it's easier said than done. The orb has been missing from the Frosted Heights since shortly after the Forgetting began.
Yeah.
And oh dear, it's been missing so long that I can't remember which virtue powered its magic. What could it have been? Let's go for punctuality?
But
Arriving precisely when one is needed, if not earlier, is a virtue indeed. But whatever powered this pillar was something more. Elemental. Whatever it was, I'm afraid you'll have trouble finding the orb. That blizzard means you won't be able to see an inch beyond your nose. I suggest you start by investigating the center of the mystical activity. You must search the blizzard for the source of the disturbance. And act quickly. The storm is growing larger. If we don't stop it soon, I fear it will swallow up the entire valley.
Now,
I suggest you dress for the weather. It's going to be downright frigid. Oh, that's a lot of dialogue.
Off with you now. Lots to do, lots to
Not gonna
do.
lie. Okay. Let's see. The Great Blizzard. Okay. Alright. I know it's gonna be frigid, he said, but I just changed my outfit. Okay, let me eat this. So I can get some energy. Not me wanting to tell Merlin the cold never bothered me anyway. It is foggy up here. Alright, we have a blizzard up here. Ooh, it's cold. I'm cold just looking at me. Okay, I'll put a sweater on. How about that? Winter jacket? There we go. My legs are freezing. Okay. Alright, search around. Let's see. Got more eggs. Oh, wait. Found footprints. Interact with the wall on the cliff. That's awesome. Can I enter without my jacket on? I'm taking it off. Olaf! No.
Oh, hi.
Oh, you found me. Hooray. That means I'm it. Now it's your turn to hide. My advice, choose a good spot. Anna says my finding abilities are epic. Olaf?
Oh!
Aura, it's you. Wait, you look taller than I remember. I suppose the last time we saw each other was a long time ago, way back before the forgetting. Yeah, I was a child. Does that mean you're all grown up now? No, not really. There we go. Even though I don't feel like it. That's your relief. If you don't feel like a grown-up, then you won't be too grown-up to finish our game. Exactly. Now it's your turn to hide and my turn to seek. Ready? Let's hide and seek later, but first... What is this place?
Huh?
You know, I'm not exactly sure. I think maybe it used to be your special room. My special room? What do you mean? Well, you came here when you wanted to be alone. To get away from all the complexities of life and ponder the meaning of the universe. There's so much strange magic in here, I wonder where it all comes from. As do I. This truly is a chamber filled with mysteries. What happened to you? When I followed you in here one day, there was a bright flash of light. And then you were gone, and I've been here ever since, mainly because I couldn't get out. That's awful. Well, I did get lonely, and I missed you and all my friends. But I've composed 12 epic novels in my head while I've been here. It's a series. I'll recite them to you later. I need your help fixing a magical mess. There's a magical blizzard that's threatening the whole village. If we're going to stop it, we need to find the orb and restore the pillar. Ooh, I very much want to help. But first, I'm in need of some assistance myself. You've probably noticed that I'm missing my nose, my buttons, and my arms. I thought you looked a little different. Some might like the minimalist look, but I'm much more fond of my full Olafness. I'll help you get all your parts back. I think when I came in, I saw some squirrels carrying them off. Oh, right. Silly me. Those squirrels are my friends. Did you know there are over 200 species of squirrels? I didn't know that. But the ones here don't look like the squirrels I've seen before. They're all mysterious and glowy. Still, they like to play keep away with me, which is nice. It helps to pass the time. They take my buttons and nose, and I chase them around to get them back. Sounds fun. It is, especially for the squirrels. But this time, when you came in, the squirrels ran out, right past you with my nose and buttons. I've only ever had to chase them around here before. Okay, I'll help you get them back. Great, let's chase down some squirrels.
Well, I guess that's it. Bye.
Alright. Squirrels. They're mine. Whoop, I didn't want to pick that up. No, what I gotta do? There we go. I'm sorry, I gotta get this wound done first. Count your days, squirrels. Alright, y'all can't be over there. Figaro? I thought Figaro was a squirrel. Alright. I got your nose. Olaf, I got your nose. Let me take this jacket off. Let's go back. Olaf, I got your nose.
Hello.
You got my nose and buttons back. Thank you. I'll feel much more like myself now. Hey, did you know that squirrels use their tails to help them balance in high places? That's cool. I agree. Squirrels are a source of almost infinite interesting facts. And now we have one to add. They like to play keep away with parrots. Are you ready, little nose? Let you put you back where you belong. Oh, this is so much better. I give you a warm hug to say thank you, but I'm still missing my arms, so that would be difficult. Where could they be? Oh, I just remembered. It's not only my arms that are missing. They were holding something when I lost them. Didn't you say you were looking for some kind of orb? Well, I was holding one when I got locked in here. Don't you just love coincidence? So if we find your arms, we'll find the orb. Excellent deductive reasoning. Ooh, and we can also deduce that if I don't know what happened to my arms, I don't know what happened to the orb. You don't know what happened to your arms? As I said before, all I remember is that I walked in here and there was a flash of light. The next thing I knew, my arms were gone, and so was the orb, and I was locked inside. If there was only some way to tell exactly what happened in here, but it was so long ago. Well, if you don't remember and I don't remember, maybe the water remembers. The water remembers? What do you mean? Oh, water has memory. It's disputed by many, but it's true. We'll just need to find a way to get it to share their memories with us. Well, there's one person I always know I can go to when there's magical business I don't understand. Merlin, of course. Merlin. Oh, he's the oldest and thus most all-knowing person in the village. I'm sure he'll know what to do. I'll go talk to Merlin. Let's go. Alright, let's find Merlin. Map. I'm gonna go ahead and fast travel it.
A moment, if you would. I need your help. Oh, hello.
Great blizzard. Tell me, what did you find at the center of the blizzard? I found a secret chamber full of strange magical experiments. I think I must have made it back before the forgetting. How curious. I wonder what purpose it served. Oh, and that's not all. I found Olaf inside. Olaf! Oh, wonderful. Was the loquacious little snowman helpful in sorting out our magical conundrum? Yes, he's helping me find the orb. Brilliant. I've always known that Olaf possesses unexpected wisdom. What did he tell you? Olaf's arms are missing. Oof. He says the last thing he remembers is that they were holding on to the orb, but he doesn't know where to find them. He said something about water having memory. He's quite right, you know. That was one of the powers your royal watering can used to have. It could draw out the memories held by water. Do you think my watering can still has that power? Maybe we can find out exactly what happened to the orb, but I wouldn't know where to start. It's always best to start off where something has begun. Investigate the pillar in the Frosted Heights. Hold out your watering can and focus your magic. If there's anything to be found, that should help you find it.
I tip my hat to you.
Move ahead. And fast traveling. Alright. Alright, sorry for that, I was hydrating. I was doing a little hydrating. That was an item. Talk to Merlin, alright. That was beautiful. What a nice sculpture. Wait, Merlin was over here. I'm getting all...
All right now, we have work to do. Right. Listen closely. What
my watering can did uncover something useful. It looks like a long time ago the Forgotten took the orb from the pillar.
Now, see here.
This place really
Pillars
shows that
keep dark
everybody's
magic at
special in
bay.
their own way.
So perhaps the Forgotten needed to remove it to meddle in more dangerous forms of magic. But Merlin, if the Forgotten was once part of me, does that mean I wanted to mess with dark magic? It's the only thing that makes sense. We all have many potentials in us, but it's what we do that matters. The future isn't set. Trust me, I've been there. But that would mean that the blizzard, the forgetting, could all of this be my fault? Now, the workings of cause and effect are much too complex to assign fault for such a phenomenon.
Extraordinary!
What matters now is that you're here trying to fix these problems. And I guess now we're one step closer to doing that. In the memory, it looked like Olaf saw the Forgotten running off with the orb from the pillar and followed them to the secret chamber. Then I suspect the rest of the answers lie inside the chamber. Alright.
A moment, if you would. I need your help.
I feel like I need to take him with me, but... I am losing my way. Okay, here we go.
Oh, so glad you made it.
I have to know, are we any closer to solving the mystery of my missing arms? I think so. Merlin helped me to use my watering can to bring out a memory near the pillar in the frosted ice. I saw the Forgotten pulling the orb out of the pillar. Forgotten, but it looked just like you. Yeah, the Forgotten has my face. There's some sort of magical splinter of me. Oh, like I'm a part of Elsa? How fascinating. I guess it's sort of like that. Well, I certainly thought the Forgotten was you when we were playing hide and seek. You'd been missing for a long time, but we were still in the middle of a game. So I followed you, the Forgotten, so I could tag you, and you'd finally come back to the village. And then I saw the Forgotten had dropped that shiny orb, so I picked it up and came in here to give it back. But then what happened? I don't remember, but you can use your watering can around here to find out.
Oh, thanks. This makes me so happy.
Closer to the portal. Whoops. Talk to Olaf.
Oh, hi.
I must have interrupted the Forgotten while they were casting some sort of magical enchantment. And the orb made the magic go wild again. That must have been the flash I saw. So this chamber, it must be the Forgotten's, and it was the Forgotten who locked you inside here. I'm so sorry, Olaf. After that, the Forgotten grabbed the orb and threw it into the portal. With your arms still touched. It's safe to reach inside. How to open portals?
Hands down, this is the best day of my life. Oh, so glad you made it.
We found a book. Is it the one we need? It's called So You Want to Open a Dark Portal.
Yeah!
How conveniently specific. It sounds like it's exactly what we're looking for. I hope so. Alright. Dreamlight prism. Okay. Glass and some purified night shards. Okay.
Well, I guess that's it. Bye.
Alright, let's pick up these, okay. Alright. And here's another one. Alright, purified night shard and glass. Okay. Let me get these. Oh, sorry, Olaf. I left something in here. Something I need. I know it's here somewhere. I need to tear down the wall. I needed to tear down the wall. Oh, okay. And here's another one. It's not working. Nothing is working. It must be the pillar's magic stopping me. Let's go. Oh, here's another one. I have to tear out the orb to cast my spell. There's no other choice. Okay. Alright. Let's go to a crafting table. I should be able to craft. I need 4 more purified light shards. Okay. Ooh, it's foggy up there. Excuse me, Nightbone. Ooh. Wait, where's the other one? Oh. Yeah, because I need coins. Alright, let's see how many Dreamlight I have. How much? 5,000? Alright. Let's craft up some purified night shards. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on. There we go. Alright, and let's see if I can get some glass. Oh yeah. I'm gonna do 5. I forgot how many I actually needed. My fault. Oh, I need 5 more. Okay. Alright. Alright. Oh, craft the Dreamlight prism. Okay. Let's get that done. Great. Please, okay. And fast travel. On the pedestal in the secret chamber. Oh, right here. There we go. Figure out the gems. Oh dear. Okay, it ain't that one. Okay. It's none of the. Oh wait, let me see. Read. Gem, garnet. Okay. Let's see these. The spell, it went wrong. Need to find somewhere else, somewhere quieter. Might need to rip out all the orbs to do this. Ooh. Well, you did. Or I did. It's only when the lights are on that I realize my life is dark. I'm here, I'm safe. Alright. Okay, let me see something. Aquamarine. Okay, so let's see. No, I need regular. Transfer. Got it. Okay. This one, emerald. Got it. All right, and I need an amethyst right here. So let's go get that. Alright, let's see if I have an amethyst available. I think I've stashed my gems in here now. Okay, I do not. Alright, let's see. I didn't get it yet, okay. Forgotten Lands or Frosted Heights, alright. Well, since part of my Frosted Heights is inaccessible, I will go up to the Forgotten Lands. Hello, Star.
Everyone
Oop, wait. Please give me an amethyst. I mean, I appreciate the iron. but oh wait, oh wait. Ooh, purple street lamp, yes. Is that a shiny? Okay. I'm gonna have to get some more amethyst for the purple street light because, yes. Alright, let's go ahead and fast travel this. Olaf, help is on the way! Help has arrived. Alright. Whisper one of your deepest fears to the flickering portal, okay? To get this portal to stay stable, I'll need to tell it one of my deepest fears. Spiders, clowns, being alone. I'm gonna go with spiders, even though I'm not afraid of them. Big ones, yeah, but little ones, no. But we're gonna go with spiders. Definitely spiders. With all the legs and eyes, and they're so creepy and crawly, and hey, something's happening to the portal. I think the magic is starting to work. Oh, we got the orb. The orb seems to be broken. Give Olaf his arms back. Okay. Olaf, I give you your arms.
Hi, it's
You
me,
found them.
Olaf.
You found my arms. Come here, little arms. Let me put you on. Yay! Oh, that's much better. I feel so sticky. Hee hee. Get it? Because my arms are sticks. You should arm yourself. No, that's hilarious. I thought you'd like it. Well, I didn't just find your arms. I also found the orb. There's only one problem. It seems to be broken.
Huh?
No, what's wrong with it? The light inside it has gone out. The magic is just gone. I don't think this is going to be enough to fix the pillar and stop the blizzard. Oh, I'm sorry. I wish I knew how to fix it. I can fix this. I have to. I just have to figure out the mystery. Maybe there's a book in Merlin's library, or another memory somewhere. Or, ahem. I may not know how to fix the orb, but I do know one thing that can make everything better. A warm hug. Yes! Oh, and now that I have my arms again, I can give you one. Thanks, Olaf. I feel a lot better now. Yep, warm hugs are the best. Wait a second. The orb started to glow when you hugged me. Merlin said he didn't know what virtue powered the pillar in the Frosted Heights, but now I know. It must be warm hugs. Close, but not exactly. It's love, Olaf. A simple act of love fixed the orb. Oh, then I guess I did know how to fix the orb after all. Does this mean we saved the day? Almost, but not quite. I still need to put this orb back in the pillar. Let's go. I love this quest. Olaf is officially my favorite. Olaf is my bestie. In my main account, Goofy, I said Goofy was my bestie. Over here, it's Olaf. Alright, interact. Let's put the pillar in. A magical artifact powered by acts of love and selflessness. And there goes the blizzard. Ooh, nice and sunny. Talk to Olaf in the secret chamber. Let's go.
Oh, hi!
Wow, you found my missing pieces and stopped the blizzard. You're very talented. There are still a lot of questions left, though. Like, what was the deal with that secret chamber? What was the Forgotten doing in there? Don't worry, I know you'll figure it out. You're practically the official villager figure-outer. And I'll be here if you need any warm hugs or words of sage wisdom from a snowman wise beyond his years. But for now, I'm going to see what's changed in the village while I was winning at hide and seek. Oh, I think you're going to love it, Olaf. I haven't learned a new fact in so long. Thank you for finding me. You're the best seeker a hider could have. Oh, and one more thing. Tag, you're it. Oh, thank you.
Hi, Olaf here. I'd love to talk.
Level 2. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what to make you. Should I do... I'm gonna do gardening. We can garden together.
Hi, I need
Complete! Yes! Alright. Alright. I want to go check. Look at how beautiful it is. Alright, I want to go check the beach right quick.
Wow, what an amazing
Oh,
day.
my stamina ran out. Do I have any more cooked food? I do not. Okay. All right. The Mystery of Stolen Socks, which we're going to start up on the next episode. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you so very much for watching this video, either a little bit or if you made it to the end. I appreciate your time. Take care.